So the topic that I'm going to be discussing is titration. ChemCat of the day. I heard oxygen and magnesium were going out, and I was like, OMG. So titration is the process of being given an unknown solution while the other solution is given. And the process for this is, in order to find the concentration of the solution, the two solutions have to be neutralized. This is known as neutralization reactions. This causes for the two solutions to have the same amount of moles, and after that occurs, the solutions can be found. So a base usually has OH negative, and an acid usually has H plus. The formula being used for the titration is M acid. The molarity of the acid times the volume of the acid equals the molarity of the base times the volume of the base. And remembering this formula is very important so that you know what to use in an actual problem. So an example of this is when you calculate the molarity of an acid that consists of 35 milliliters and a base with a molarity of 0.125 and a volume of 26 milliliters. So step 1 is to identify the given information, and then step 2 is identify what you need to find, and then step 3, plug in the information to the correct category. So as you see, 35 milliliters of an acid, so that would go to the acid section, and then the given information would be the base, which is 0.125 a concentration and a volume of 26 milliliters. You plug that in, and then you multiply the given information and divide by the other information with the missing part. So now it's your turn to calculate the concentration of a 25 milliliter NaOH solution while the other solution has a volume of 35 milliliters and a concentration of 1.25 HCl. Remember how to identify a base and acid, and also remember to look back to the formula if necessary. And the answer to the example is right here. The NaOH is the base, and the acid was given with the volume and concentration of HCl. Thank you.